Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a short pixie wig using our short pixie hair. Our super styling spirit to hold the glue firm since we'll be using a glue and our bonding glue as well. As usual, we are going to fit our dump cap on the dummy head, remove the extension, detangle it well. This time we are not sewing, we are gluing. This extension is actually a double lined extension. And since we need a single lined extension for our short pixie hair, we will need to separate the two hairs joints. After doing that, what I mostly do is to measure the hair. That is lining the full extension at where I want to glue before cutting it and gluing it. What I always do before gluing my first hair is to spray that side with the spirit before gluing it in order to hold it firm. Then press it with my hand to hold it firm, then spray it with the spirit again. In order not to suffer when combing the hair when you're done, I always prefer to comb it when I get to a certain level. That is before starting the fringe. Finally done with the gluing. Now have to comb the hair. You have to comb it really well so that you won't face any difficulties when trimming the hair. And this is what I'm going to use to trim the hair. It's actually a comb with a razor blade in it. I don't really remember the name though. So I'm going to start trimming from where I parted earlier. That is where my ear is going to be, and the side that's going to separate the front from the back. Trimming of the short pixie hair is done based on how you want your short pixie hair to look like. So I'm trimming based on how I want the short pixie hair to look like. So I'm done trimming the back of my short pixie hair. I really like how the back is looking. Finally done trimming the hair, and I've gotten my desired look. You have to note that one key thing about short pixie hair is how you trim the hair. The trimming of the hair determines how your short pixie hair is going to look. So make sure you take your time when trimming the hair. This is my final look. I'm already admiring the hair. Look at the hair. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly make sure you do so. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.